for today's video. Unbox natin itong Samsung Sound Tower ST40F Party Box. So ito yung katapat ni JBL 120. So tingnan natin kung lalaban itong Samsung sa 120 ni JBL. Ito ay powerful sound, party sound, 12 hours playtime daw siya. 12 hours battery tested with lighting off and at a volume level of volume 12 to 13. So naka-off yung lights niya para aabot ng 12 hours playtime. Tapos yung volume is 12 to 13 lang. So wala siya kasamang microphone, same lang sa 120. Party lights plus Bluetooth saka Auracast. Same lang talaga siya sa Auracast na rin siya. Samsung ST40F. So guys, i-unbox na natin itong Samsung. Okay. Okay, Moy. Let's unbox the Samsung. Yan. Samsung.
Yeah. Apa? Open up! Open up! Open up!
Ay, lagi pa nabot niya. PC cord, warranty card, tsaka user manual. Tapos meron siyang paliter na before first use, please charge power to wake up the battery. So yung battery nito is natutulog pa. So the battery is sleeping. Ay, pinapot ang tuwan na.
Apa? Anja ka? Box gun. Hello, everyone here?
Yun, no? So dito sa meron siyang holder dito. Base Bluetooth indicator niya. USB aux 1 aux 2. Power Samsung logo. Ganda dito Samsung, oh. Sa likod, daming buttons, oh. Aux 1, meron na siyang out, mic 1, mic 2, auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2 ulit pa ito, mic 1, echo, USB sa mic to echo. So separate yung control niya, guys. So dito naman yung battery niya is matatanggal din, same sa 120, matatanggal yung battery. Breather. Tapos dito yung easy in. So pwede nyong tanggalin ito, guys, kung nakasaksak para hindi masisira yung battery. Pwede itong tanggalin para so natutulog nga yung battery guys. Oh. Ayaw mag-on. So, okay. So, charge muna natin. So on natin guys. So connect natin sa Bluetooth. So meron na siyang pang DJ oh. Pause natin oh. Pang DJ.
3, 2, 1.
No way!
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go! No!
3, 2, 1.
So ito yung sa lights. Yun sa lights.
Okay, let's go!
You look at me, a pretty girl, be with me. I'm hypnotized by the way you look.
Yun guys, so lakas, sobrang lakas. Nandito lang yung speaker pero sobrang lakas. So maganda siya. So try natin yung mic. Sound check, check. Sound check. Sound check, mic, sound. Sound check, check, mic, sound. Sound check, check, check. Check, 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 mic, sound. Sound check. Sound check, mic, sound check.
Sound check, check mic sound.
Mayroon ako nais malaman guys. Maganda yung mic. Yung mic quality. Good siya pang karaoke, pang sounds. Yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe na marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Shellos Channel.